Hello. So today we are trying to upgrade this Windows Server 2016 we installed and Active Directory we installed. So we are trying to in place upgrade to Windows Server 2022. But before we can upgrade, this is an evaluation version that we downloaded from Microsoft website. So we first need to convert this to a regular edition from the evaluation edition. You can see at the bottom here it says Windows 2016 Standard Evaluation. So in order to convert that, we will need to enter a command which will convert this from evaluation edition to regular edition. So let it load, and then we will start with the command prompt. We'll open the command prompt as administrator, and you can see at the top it says administrator when we open this as administrator. So let's start with the command. The command is DISM. So we will first check the current edition. And then we will get target editions to see where we can convert this to. So target editions, editions. So we can upgrade this from standard evaluation to standard or Datacenter. So we will convert this to standard. So the command is DSM online set edition colon ServerStandard and ProductKey, and you can get these product keys from doing a simple Google search actually. So copy this key and okay, I'm gonna actually type text and AcceptEula. There's a hyphen that I missed. then it will start to remove the service. Sometimes this gets stuck at 10% for long period of time. If it does, you have to go into services and stop the software protection service. So we already have server manager open here. Tools and services. This software protection service, this is right now not running, so it's still gonna take some time to install. I'm gonna pause this video, and when this completes I'm gonna resume the video. Okay, so it is done, and now it's asking to restart the computer. And once we do that, after the restart, we will see that this will disappear. So I'm gonna restart now, press yes, restarting the computer. Okay, let it come back, and then we'll log in and see. Still rebooting. Okay, so the computer is now back, and we will log in to see if our command was successful or not. Okay, it is now booted, so we will verify that this is converted by following the command that we first used. DISM online get current edition. And we can see it is no longer evaluation edition, it's standard edition. So this is it. Thank you very much.